Before I start the video, guys, I just want to let you know that I do actually have a gaming channel where all my gaming content is uploaded. The last video I uploaded was Arenas is Fun, and that's the Apex Legends game. That was uploaded at the time of this recording, anyway. But the only time I really upload to this channel is when I get the time, because I am running my tech channel, so it's kind of hard for me to do so. I also have this channel, which is Sergeant's Gaming Live. There will be a link in the description below. This is where all my live streams are going to be uploaded from Twitch. You guys can also check out the Twitch on this channel here. You guys can also check it out on my main channel. There should be a Twitch link. But I just figured I'd let you know before we start the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Hey, what's going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install a new Siren pack into GTA, or FiveM, however you want to interpret it. So one of the reasons I'm doing this video is because it's a straightforward process and not everyone knows how to do it. I am currently playing in the server LSCRP. I will put a link in the description below if you guys want to check the server out. I will also put up in the cards right now how to install FiveM and set it up as you have GTA. Now obviously I have the regular GTA Siren, and it just trusts me on that. So if I just go ahead and, but here's the GTA Siren. This is kind of just the normal GTA Siren you get when you have it installed. So, you know. So obviously I'm going to show you how to update that. It's a super simple task. You will need OpenIV and you will need WinRAR, and there will be a link to download those in the description below. And until I can create a video on how to install OpenIV and how to set it up properly, I will put a link in the description below to somebody else's video for now. But let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you have a Siren pack available, or just any Siren. It doesn't necessarily have to be a Siren pack. You can go on the GTA website where you can get LSPDFR mods and basically use the same ones. Usually it's kind of determined on FiveM and LSPDFR, so make sure you download one for LSPDFR if that one's available. I will put a link in the description below to this modern Siren pack, but obviously you will need WinRAR, and as you can see the size of this file is 2.2 gigs, so just bear that in mind. Once you download this, there will be, as I said, there will be a link in the description below for this. Once you download this, you're just going to right-click on it with WinRAR. You're going to click Extract to Modern Siren Pack V2. And once the file is done extracting, you're going to get this folder on your desktop. And if you actually open that up, and you're going to get this folder, you can see that there are some in here. There is some how to add your own sirens. You can follow these if you want, but the video is just going to be a lot easier. You can do this archive fix, but I'm not even sure what that is. All you really need to do is worry about these three folders here, which is going to be your sirens, and then you just got to choose which one you want. So you have the code 3, you have the federal signals, and you have the Wheelin' engineering sirens. Now in my case is I'm going to use the CENTCOM Gold. I love how it says that. We're going to use the CENTCOM Gold, so all you're going to do is open up that folder, and all you need is this resident.rpf file. You can also use the 25% louder one if you want, but this one's probably going to be fine. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up OpenIV. This window's going to pop up. Like I said, I will put a link in the description below so you guys can download this. If you probably might already have it installed. It's a super straightforward process. Once you download it from the website, it's going to have you, this exact window is going to pop up. Just click Windows, and what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to choose a directory for your Grand Theft Auto 5 installation. Just go ahead and click the Windows button. Now this window is going to pop up. It can be kind of confusing depending on who you are. But all you got to do is go up to this right-hand corner and click Edit Mode. It's going to ask you, the changes are just going to automatically save. Do you wish to continue? Go ahead and click Yes. Now the first two folders you're going to want to worry about is the Mods folder, Time64 Audio, Sound Effects, and then this resident.rpf file. And then you're going to go back to here after you put it in the Mods folder, and then you're going to go to the Time64 Audio, Sound Effects, and you're going to put it in this folder here. So now one thing you do need to do is you need to back up the original the resident file, because if you don't and you somehow mess up that sound, you're going to have to reinstall your game, and you can't actually download this original resident file because it's different for all installation types. So the best way to back it up is to go to the 64 folder, Audio, Sound Effects. Scroll down till you'll see resident.rpf, grab this and drag it to your desktop. Now I'm not going to copy it because I already have a backup of it because I've already installed my Siren, but just click, it's just going to just drag it to your desktop. Keep a copy of it, do not change the name of it. If you would like to, you can just change it back to resident.rpf if you're going to put it back in your game. Alright, so as I was saying, in the beginning you're going to pop up here. So now what you want to do is you want to grab your resident.rpf folder, which is going to be this one, and drag this over here. We're going to open up OpenIV. Now we're going to go to the Mods folder, Time64, Audio, Sound Effects, and then you're going to have this resident.rpf file. Now you're going to find the siren you want. You don't actually have to use the CENTCOM Gold if you don't, but that's my favorite siren, so that's the one I'm going to use. So I'm just going to grab this resident.rpf file, and then you're going to drag it into here. That's all it's going to do. It's not going to change anything. It's not even going to look like it did anything, but trust me, it did. And then what you want to do is you want to go back to this screen here, and you can do that by clicking GTA 5. Go to the Time64 folder, go to Audio, Sound Effects, and then it's going to be here. Grab that resident.rpf file and drag it back to the folder here. And then you're done. That's all you got to do. It's actually a super simple task, and you can change your siren as much as you want as long as you have your original backed up. Then when you're done, you're just going to go up here back to the right top-hand corner, and you're going to click Edit Mode, make sure it's off, and then close out of OpenIV. We're going to go ahead and launch game, and I'm going to show you what the siren sounds like. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we are back in game, and now we're going to go ahead and get back into our trooper vehicle. As you can see, I don't know why the door won't, there we go. So we're going to go and turn the lights, and as you can see, the new siren's installed. And if I click E on the keyboard, we got a new horn, and then I'll show you the siren for the CENTCOM Gold. And that is how you install a new siren into GTA FiveM. Super simple task, as I said. All the links you need will be in the description below. If you guys would like to join the LSCRP server, there will also be a link in the description below. Super cool server. Right now, they're going to be whitelisting LEO, so just keep that in mind. You can apply and do trainings. And honestly, it's just a really fun server. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. If you guys want any more tips and tricks for FiveM, let me know in the comments below, and I will be sure to do that. Also, check out my video on how to install FiveM if you would like to do that first. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out. So the things you will need is you are going to need WinRAR, which I will put a link in the description below, and I do have a video on how to download that. You will also need to install OpenIV and set it up that way. If you don't know how to do that, I will post a video in the fucking... This is a GTA siren.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm recording.
Alright.
You're good. I'm trying to record a tutorial.
My bad, I didn't mean to.
No, you're good. I can cut it out.